I'm going snowboarding tomorrow, so this is what I'm eating the night before. Gonna fill this up with a lot of water first. I think if you're an OG, you know what I'm gonna be doing here. Gonna grab the biggest bowl I own, I guess. And we're gonna use it for these large flake oats. Thank you, no name. For this bowl size, I'm gonna put 3 scoops in here. I think one was a little less, so I'm gonna put half in just to fill it up. Waiting for the water to boil. Also gonna get my favorite celery. I'm gonna peel a peel and wash them. This is how you wash celery. It's gonna be dirty here and here the most, but also around this area you need to wash it too. So, you think this is clean enough? I mean, I almost use my nails to rub off the dirt a little bit. Water is almost done as well, which is awesome. So what we're gonna do is take this boiling water and just pour it into here. So you actually want to fill up as much because there's also the soup part of the oatmeal, which is awesome. Now you just want to let it cover up for a bit. And I like to use this, although you can use whatever you want to cover it up. And the celery is done as well. Alright, it's been around 10-20 minutes. This is how you know when the oatmeal is done. It's when it's absorbed so much of the water that it turns into this kind of, reminds me of barley actually. Oatmeal soup is actually very, very yummy. It tastes really good. When you drink it, it tastes like it's very clean. All of the cooking is done, so let's eat it. Alright, so you grab your celery and you just dunk it in the oatmeal like this. And then, depending on how wet you want it to be, Bon appetit!